In this practical example, we're going to design a staggered axle quickly and easily. There are two grooves for inserting the fastening keys in this axle. The intention of this design is to use the fewest number of possible resources. Let's start sketching the axle. Enable the revolved boss base command, which is located on the Command Manager features, as well as on the Insert menu features. SolidWorks requires the sketch to be finished or a plane for creating a sketch. We'll select the top plane. Sketch a dotted line coincident to the origin and we'll define its midpoint to be coincident to the origin. Define the staggered axle length as 920 mm. This is used for defining the length and also as a reference for the revolved boss base command. After the lines are finished, we'll sketch the axle profile, and now we'll concentrate only on the sketch. We'll add the dimensions later on. After the profile is sketched, we'll add the required dimensions, so the sketch is completely defined. See how when we drag the dimension below the sketched line, it changes directions and adds dimensions, for example, to the axle diameter. See how the lines are all black, which means that the sketch is completely defined. So now let's confirm the sketch. SolidWorks shows a preview of the geometry which will be generated from the revolved boss base command. As it meets our needs, we'll confirm the command. There it is. The axle has been modeled using just one sketch and a feature, using a minimum of resources, based on the intention of our design. As there are many ways to model the same part using different alternative procedures. Now let's create the key slots. The first one will be for the larger axle diameter. In Reference Geometry, select the Plane command, and in the Property Manager, enable the On Surface option. It is possible to create a tangent plane to a selected face using this option. In the Selections box, select the face and the plane perpendicular to the desired plane to be created. The preview is acceptable, so let's confirm the command. Enable the Sketch command and select the plane which was just created. Use the slot command to sketch the slots. Draw the desired profile, apply the necessary dimensions and confirm the sketch. Conclude the sketch by enabling the Cut Extruded command to remove material and create a slot geometry. Let's define the depth at 10 mm, look at the preview and confirm the command. Look, the slot has been created and we'll repeat the same process to add the slot to the end of the axle. First, create a plane using the plane and selecting On Surface option. After that, generate the sketch on this created plane. Define the sketch by removing the required material using the Cut Extrude command. There it is. We have created a staggered axle with 2 slots using few tools quickly and easily.